So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever time it is you're watching this. This morning for me, cold February morning, it's a bit grey, cold and damp, but I'm about to go and pick up my Honda Monkey. Here's the gear all ready to go. I'm going to have to go to Chester on the train to collect it. Everything's ready to go. Armour jacket, helmet, boots, gloves are there, and my shoulder bag with bits and bobs. As I said, I'm going to have to go on the train, so it's going to be a bit of a pain when you have to go anywhere with all your biking gear to collect a bike. I didn't want to harass anyone for a lift. Where I am, we have to go over a toll bridge. So by the time you factor in fuel costs and toll bridges and somebody else's time, it's not fair. I can get a train ticket down there in 50 minutes for about £8. So it's a Honda in Chester where I'm going. Excuse me. And everything's ready to go. So I'll speak to you shortly. On my way to Chester, I decided that because I'm carrying all the gear, the train station's a mile away, and instead of walking down with all the gear, I thought I'm going to jump the car, get the car at the train station, it's free to park. And then when I get home later, I can walk down for the car without having all the gear on board. So here I am in the car. I've checked the weather today, and the trusty old weather app did say 2% chance of rain between St Helens, where I'm leaving, and Chester, where I'm arriving. It's raining already. I've only been in the car a minute, so I've left my waterproof for home. So there's mistake number one, maybe. We'll see how we go. The eagle-eyed amongst you may have noticed that the jacket I'm wearing isn't actually armoured, and I don't want to get in a debate of all the gear all the time, or is it okay to collect the newspaper on a nice July morning with just your shorts and t-shirts on. Your bike, your body, your choice. That's up to you. This doesn't have armour, but it does. I have a separate armoured vest by Knox, which is in my bag here. I will be wearing it on the way back. So now just down to the train station. I've got 20 minutes to get there, get my ticket, and get waiting.
Shortly be arriving at Newton Le Willows.
Welcome aboard this northern service to Chester.
So I arrived in Chester. It was a 5-minute taxi ride or a 30-minute walk down the canal. So not being one to turn down a chance for a bit of exercise, and I chose the canal to walk down. random cat. Yeah, I think I definitely made the right choice to walk down. Even if people are looking at me weird talking to myself. Yeah, good choice to walk down here. Well folks, just on the walk down the canal and made it. There it is. The Honda dealership. So I'm just going to go in there now and finish off the business, collect the bike. So the bike's been picked up. I've rode it home, but I haven't got any kind of camera to film any footage yet. I've just used my phone at the moment. But here she is, rear rack, a nice carbon fibre side panel to cover where the OEM exhaust used to be. And we've got a Zoom exhaust. I was worried that'd be too low, but actually it's not too bad. Yeah. Apart from the rack and the exhaust, I think it's pretty standard. Uh, 1080 miles on it. I've got a screen to go on, I've got some bungs to go in there already, so I'll get them put on. I'm thinking I'd like something to tidy that up with. Yeah, probably tidy that up somehow. Something I did see on another video is something relocated the horn, and I think it cleaned the front up quite nicely, so I'm going to put the horn over here. Yeah, I think it's those holes there. I think it was Honda Monkey TV. He's only done a few videos, but they were really good. I don't know if he stopped, he doesn't seem to have done anything for a while. But huge shout out for Monkey Dicks, because that was who got me into this straight away. I was looking for something smaller, for some adventures on small bikes sort of situation. And I was looking at the Honda CRF 250, to be honest, and after I was doing a bit of research, and I left the YouTube playing, and what popped up was a Monkey Dicks adventure on monkey bikes, obviously, and I was hooked from the off. So I'm now part of the monkey revolution. I just drove it back home, what, 40 miles? Absolutely awesome. Not perfect, a couple of little things, but you know, for what it is, awesome.